Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas series. I can't believe that we're already halfway through. It seems like we just started only a few days ago. Hopefully you've been having fun crafting along with us. For my project today, I've created these lovely gift boxes. If you hadn't noticed, I have a theme this Christmas series, which is about lovely gift presentations. I created this using a digital file available at Myscrapchick. This is the extra large cookie box, and this was designed by an in-house designer, Tracy Rushton. Her company name is Paper Closet Designs. I really love the way these boxes turned out, and I've actually created 4 of them because I plan to give them to my friends. Now, I'm not going to be using these as a cookie box, instead putting embellishments in one and beauty items in the other. Before I go further, let me show you the paper collection that I use. I used the Christmas in the Country paper collection by Prima Marketing. This was designed by Frank Garcia and it came out last year. This is a beautiful collection. These boxes are really easy to put together, but they look very elegant, especially with all of the details that Tracy has put in them. On the front of the box, I have this dark red frame, which really brings out the red tones in the paper. And on the left-hand side, I've layered several pieces of ephemera from the paper collection, along with floral greens, these flowers that have come from the paper collection, and then more ephemera in the bottom. So this is the first box. And this is the side. I love the contrast of the 2 different designs here. Now this is the B side of this paper. I think it looks lovely. Here you can see more of the ephemera sprinkled in throughout. I have this white foam flower, and then I've added in this jute ribbon. Let me show you the inside of the box. This box comes with 4 peekaboo liners that are scalloped. I think that adds such a lovely detail to it. I plan to include fun embellishments such as rosettes, bows, and little mini tags. I also will use this to include beauty items, so I could include bath bombs and chapsticks and mini bath oils in each of these boxes, and that would be a nice beauty gift presentation. This box is also versatile, so that if you don't want to use these liners, you can simply take them out, and then you have a pretty inside of the box. As you can see, this is pretty deep. This is about 1 1/4 inches deep. This is the second box that I've created. We have more ephemera from the paper collection, and this paper does have hints of gold foiling throughout. We have this beautiful plaid flower and cream flower, and more of the floral greens in the back, and then another jute ribbon. Okay, and this is a side. And this is the third box that I've created. Here we have a deer and a wreath and some roses. These are all elements from the paper collection in the number 25, as well as these flowers. And this is the back. I think this paper is so beautiful. Now that I've given you an overview of these boxes, I'm going to grab my material so I can show you how easy it is to put together. I'll be right back. I have all the materials to make our box. In your file, you will receive a lid, the base, the frame, this piece of acetate you'll need to cut out, and then you'll have 4 of these inner liners. I have already assembled 3 of them. Okay, and then we'll assemble the last one together. The first thing we want to do is work on our lid. I have added score tape on the front of the box. The reason I'm adding the acetate on the front is because I can cover it up easily with this frame here, as opposed to putting it on the outside and having to create another frame on the inside of the box. So I'm just going to take off this score tape. I'm going to fit the acetate right over the score tape that I've just placed down. Now I'm going to glue the frame, which will go just like so. I have glued on our frame. Now we're going to assemble the box. And I've gone ahead and folded and burnished the score lines. And we're going to put glue on these tabs. And we're going to glue the edges just like so. And we're going to do that on all 4 sides. Now that all the tabs are glued down, I'm going to take my bone folder and burnish each of the tabs. We can set this aside. Now we're going to work on the base. So we're going to glue the base together in a very similar way as the top. So we have these side tabs here. We're going to put glue. And we're going to attach it just like so. This extra lid reinforces the box. So we'll add that down at the end. Now we're going to glue these tabs down. So just put glue on the inside and fold this down just like so. And that gives you a nice firm edge along the side of the box. I'm going to repeat this on all 4 sides, and then we will make the liners. Our base is complete. Now we can start working on the liners, and I already have 3 of these liners completed, so I'm going to set that inside, and we'll make the last one together. So I'm just going to fold along all of the score lines. And just like the other 2 boxes, we're just going to glue the tabs together. And these edges should be lined up just like so and form a little point. And we can pop this one in just like so. Now our base and liners are complete. Let's grab our lid, and this will go on just like so. So here's our completed box. It took hardly any time to make, and as you can see, it makes a lovely presentation. You can use this for any time of the year. If you swap it out for a spring paper, this would be fun for spring, fall, anytime throughout the year. This concludes my review of my gift boxes. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to join us tomorrow for day 7 of the 12 Days of Christmas series. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Happy crafting and Merry Christmas.